So today I'm gonna go and borrow some more MIM against my AVAX on Abracadabra. So total I should be about 30 something percent leverage, about $100, something about there. And of course I don't have enough AVAX because I staked it all already. So I'll be right back. Let me get some more AVAX. Okay, so it's been about 3 days since I staked my ex Joe, and I made about 1 Joe, just $4. So let's see if I can harvest that. Nope, we don't have enough funds for that either. So I'm gonna have to get some AVAX from somewhere else. So I'm gonna come back and do that. So what I'm thinking is I could sell off a little bit of this SnowBanks and get some AVAX this way. Because it looks like here is the price. So just a tiny bit of SnowBanks to get some AVAX, which this should be enough to cover some fees, I believe. Let me see. So I'm going to swap it. Actually, swap it back. This is what I was going to do here. So let's see what it's asking for. Well, I guess you can't borrow MIM. Okie dokie. Just refresh and see if that was a bug, maybe. And nope, it says 0 MIMs left to borrow. So just gotta wait it out, I guess. Come back when there's some more. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna have to wait until there's more MIM to borrow. Unless I wanted to pay back that 700 and then go to bin QI and borrow on there. But I will just come back tomorrow. And then I'll check it out then. But in the meantime, I still need to get some AVAX. So I'm going to sell some of this SnowBanks because it is roughly $3,900. And so this is going to be our fee right here. And the total I will receive is 0.02 AVAX. Which should be enough. confirm. Let's let that transaction process, and then we'll finish swapping it. Now we want to swap it. Confirm. It looks like I do not have enough. AVAX left. No, I just have to go and buy it from crypto.com or something, and be back in a little bit. Alright, so I just went and bought another AVAX and I sent it to my MetaMask. And now I'm just going to borrow this 4,000 here and go buy some SnowBanks because it's actually on the down, because flip-flopping, the price of MIM is up to like $1.02 or something. And so let's borrow this. Confirm. So now we're gonna have 4,000 MIM. I'm gonna go buy one full SnowBank. And then I think I have still 3,000 left to borrow if I wanted to. But that's kind of a high leverage. So let's hop back over here. Okay, so there's my 4,000 MIM will give me 1.06 SnowBanks. That look like it's going up again. Yep. So let's go ahead and confirm that. Confirm. Confirm. And open it up on SnowTrace. Go to our portfolio, right? And then we're going to add one SnowBank, buy one SnowBank. Current price is roughly 3,803. And our fee was 11 MIM, which is about 15 bucks. And then I like to put the fees in there so I know. So now we should have one full SnowBank. So we go over here and stake it. Let's refresh. And a 96-cent fee, of course. Took that all day. So today we staked that. Let's start a Google Sheet. And approve. I already did this approve, correct? Object. Let's see here. Balance. Next reward yield. Current index 1.63 SB. So now we're going to stake that whole SB. What? Max fee for gas less than block base fee? I think that's probably just an error with the site. Let's refresh it again. Max. There we go. Stake. Okay, it's a little higher than I thought, but sure. Um, 5-day ROI, so 12% on over 5 days. That's not bad. You can also get discounts over here for minting SnowBanks if you use any of these combos, but sometimes it's just not worth it. Like 5%. I mean, come on, for over 5 days. So let's just wait for that to finish. Alright, says balance was successfully updated. 7:47 a.m. So we're gonna go back. So it says this is next reward amount. Not bad. And so we'll come back here tomorrow at 7:30 and check it out. See how much we made. Because that is an insane amount of APY. And